Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome to part 6 of how to start a recruitment business. This one is going to be a short and sweet one. It's going to be how to register a business. So what you want to do is type into Google, register a business. And the reason we're looking at this is it just walks you through step by step what you're going to look at. So this is the gov.uk. You don't actually register on here, but it's going to tell you what you're going to go through. So it's good to read this. First step is, check if it's right for you. You can register as self-employed, but I would suggest registering a company looks better. Most companies in terms of recruitment like to work with other businesses and see your setup as a correct company. So if there's any fallout, they're a bit more safe as well in that. Choose a name, company director, so you put all your details in and you register it on Company's House. So you can either go through here, or you can just search register on Company's House if you don't want to read. The cost is £12, and this is going to be the last and final cost we're going to have for the first until you make your first placement. Everything else will be funded by the business. So initially, what my process is, when I get down to it, the first placement will be either 2 to 5 grand in placement. After that, you're going to set up your VoIP, you're going to set up your job boards, and you're going to spend a bit of money on lead sourcing from there. So you're still going to have about £1,000, 1,500 left after you make your first placement. You can choose to keep that money as a safety net, or you can just take it out of the business as a dividend. There's a lot of tax breaks with companies. Once you register, you want to go on and start your new application and go through the process on there. Final thing is you want to register a business account, and I would suggest using Tide. Let's see, Tide business account, and it's an app. You can go on there. The fees are very low. I've looked at tons of these and I use it for 2 businesses at the moment, Tide. So there's 0 fees. They send you a card. They've got a nice little app. So yeah, register that. It's free of charge and the fees are the lowest that I've seen in terms of business account. You can get set up in probably about 5 minutes. I think it took me. Another one, if you don't like Tide, you can try Starling Bank. But they're a bit longer. They want you to send a bit more information. But Tide gets you up and running. So it's tide.co. Or starlingbank.com. Both I would recommend. If you do want to go to the high street and do that, you can do, but be prepared to have a 2-hour meeting with your business manager at HSBC or whatever you're going to go through. But these are quick, easy, modern age, works the same way. And yeah, in order to set up a business account, you're going to need to register a business. So that's one of the main reasons we do so with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you've got any questions.